Welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be looking at XP Pen's newly released Deco Pro MW pen tablet. The tablet comes in two sizes, small and medium. It's the medium one we're going to look at today. Opening up the sturdy white box to find inside the tablet. That's kind of stuck in there, we'll come back to that. The pen holder, which contains the pen, spare nibs and the Bluetooth receiver. The pen looks nicely designed and feels really good to hold. I really like the black and silver look. The pen lid also acts as a handy pen holder for your desk. Unscrewing the tube reveals the spare pen nibs and the receiver. This is an update of the previously released Deco Pro tablet. It now features Bluetooth functionality. This box came out easier. Inside this is the cables. You get the USB-A to USB-C and the USB-C to USB-C cable. It's really stuck in there, this one. Got it. Opening up this box, you find the OTG adapter for your phones, the drawing glove, quick start guide, a happy holiday season card, quick guide, and of course the warranty. The tablet has a really cool design with the silver and black. It has 8 express keys and a dual wheel. On the side is a USB-C port. Feels nice and light, and on the back you have the rubber strips to stop it moving on the desk and the on-off switch. This will look great on anyone's desk. To turn Bluetooth on, you use the switch on the back. Before you can start drawing, you have to peel off the protective strip. Ooh, that feels nice. Once you've downloaded and installed the drivers, the next thing to do is insert the Bluetooth receiver into your laptop, PC or Mac. Time for a few test scribbles. Drawing on this tablet felt great. I love not only the look of the pen, but how it feels in the hand and how smooth it feels gliding over the tablet. This device will really impress your colleagues in the studio or family members at home when you bring it out. Lines and strokes produced on screen tapered off nicely, dependent on pen pressure, and have been great results whether you're creating a simple cartoon image or a more detailed masterpiece with different brushes. Some more in-depth technical details of the tablet and the pen. On the left of the tablet are the 8 shortcut keys and the dual wheels, mechanical and virtual. The functionality of the keys and the wheel can be changed or edited in the driver software. The dial wheel has some small, neat looking LEDs within the inner rim which adds to the already cool looking design. They are quite subtle and not in your face so as not to distract you when working. A nice touch. The tablet's working area of 11 by 6 inches is designated by 4 small icons that light up when the pen is within the 10mm sensing range. The driver software is clean and simple to navigate. If you have a multi-monitor setup, you can map the tablet to all screens so that what you draw appears on all monitors at the same time, or just to whatever one monitor you wish. This is a much more beneficial way of working, as you can have your email on one screen or a reference image and work away in Photoshop on the tablet on another screen. Or if you're left-handed, you can rotate it 180 degrees so that the keys in the wheel are on the right side. The pen button functionality can also be changed in the driver software. I tend to leave as is, as eraser and right click on the pen work out of the box for me, but you can mix it up if you wish. Same goes for the shortcut or express keys. You can even change the functionality of the dials if you wish, but using them for zooming in and changing brush size was good enough for me. There's also a setting to turn the lights off on the tablet. Working wirelessly via Bluetooth should give you around 10 hours work time. The driver software has a handy little remaining battery icon to make sure you finish your masterpiece before you run out of time. Simply charge up the Deco Pro MW via the USB cable. When charging, the LEDs flash blue and red to indicate charging. This should take around 2 hours for a full charge. The original Deco Pro M tablet actually came out a couple of years ago and was an instant hit with the design and illustration market. In fact, it won 2 awards, the Red Dot Award 2019 and the Good Design Award 2018. So as the old adage goes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just add Bluetooth. It really is a nice looking and performing tablet and comes thoroughly recommended. The pen also matches the sleek design of the tablet, combining both a black and silver look. It has an anti-slip black rubber covering around its 2-button functionality area and is battery free. As is now standard across these devices, the pen supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees of tilt. It really feels comfortable to hold and use. I really like the look of it. We will leave you now for a few minutes while our resident illustrator does his thing. Deco Pro series supports Windows, Mac, Android, Chrome and Linux systems. It's compatible with most drawing and design software, including all the usual suspects like Photoshop, Painter, Illustrator and many more. This is a great device for drawing on the go, as you can connect to a compatible mobile device, see XP Pen's website for a full list, via the OTG adapter and work away at the bottom of your garden or in the coffee shop. In fact, fans of Ibis Paint and iOS will be pleased to know the Deco Pro MW is compatible with this app. Well, that just about wraps up this review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. I'm off for a Scooby snack.